This website is created for Digital Marketing Tools course at the Hague University of Applied Sciences by Mike de Vries. This company is not related to any entity businesses. Welcome to my website about car rentals, specifically supercars and sports cars. The reason I chose for this particular design is because the colors and the design itself is very simplistic, which is what you would want when looking for a luxury car. The design principles I incorporated in the website is mainly the simplicity, because you don't want to get overwhelmed by too much information when looking for a cool car that you want to rent. A lot of car images to kind of convince the customer or energize them to make a booking. Then also a logical order. So we have home, offers, car list, price list, requirements, and contact us page, which is a very logical, simple order from the most important to least important. And it is very easy to control, which means the page is very, as I said, simplistic. You don't have to press a lot of things in order to search stuff. You just have these 6 different tabs, which makes everything easy to control. The tabs on the page is firstly home, which is basically the company name and about us, so what the company is about, what mission the company has for their customers. Then we have the offers, which is basically special offers, mostly seasonal, which provides the customer with discounted offers on some cars. Then we have the car list itself, which provides all the car options that are available and their name, the engine, power, and 0 to 100 times, which is important for them, of course, because every customer has different wishes. And then we come to the price list, which basically gives all the prices in a very simple manner. So you have hourly, daily, and weekly, and it's very simple and still professional, so it's easy to find. And then finally we come to the last two, which is requirements, so what you need in order to rent the car. And finally the contact us page, so the address, email, phone number, and then you can ask a question if you have that by filling in your name, email, phone, and stuff like that. And finally the location on the page itself where our company is located. Thank you for listening.